Okay, check this out. I absolutely rocked my Pixel Bud A's without the case, and I absolutely destroyed the actual case for the Pixel Buds. So this time, Nomad went ahead and sent me their modern leather case for the Pixel Buds Pro. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have Nomad's protective leather modern case for the Pixel Pros, the Pixel Bud Pros. Look at that, and it's officially made for Google Pixel Buds there. Bam. Very nice premium leather accessories from Nomad. It doesn't get better than that, and they are proudly carbon neutral since 2020. Look at that, looks absolutely fantastic. Nice and premium packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Now you have this leather case here, bam, and it absolutely smells amazing. But you do have a kind of combined leather and plastic there, combination hybrid. You do have Nomad branding there on the top of the lid case, and on the side you do have a plastic outer kind of shell here in between the two leather sandwiched in between. Very nice premium feeling case. Can't get the smells absolutely amazing. Horween leather is what they use. You do have a cutout there if you want to strap a lanyard to it. You most definitely can. But let's go ahead and grab the Pixel Buds there, and let's go and slid this right in, and bam, voila, easy and nice, tight, snug fit. Now this one right here, which way do we go? I think we go the other way. There we go. Bam, look at that. And you do have a cutout there for the LED notification, so you can see the LED notification there. Fits nice and snug. The top portion's not going to go flying off of your Pixel Bud Pro case. Boom, look at that. The cutout for the bottom, nice and precise. Plenty of room around there if you want to use a charging cable. The case is not going to intrude with you plugging these bad boys in. You do have access to the reset button there at the back, and it's nice and tactile. You can feel the button being pressed. You cut out there for your lanyard and nothing else. The hinge there, bam, opens like that, closes, boom. But does it wirelessly charge through the case? And let's check it out. See if I can get it to charge. And it does. Bam, look at that. It wirelessly charges through the case, so no worries with charging your Pixel Buds. You can go ahead and leave them in the case, set them down, and charge them. So there you have it, guys. This is the modern leather case for Nomad. Boom. This one's in black Horween leather. They also have available in brown, so you can choose whatever style you want. And on the back of the case there, it shows you how it's going to look on day one, which is like this, and how it's going to age and look in day 100, which is absolutely amazing. They patina over time, and it looks amazing. So there you have it, guys. Nomad Pixel Bud Pro case. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick them up for your Pixel Bud Pros. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.